If you'd like to customize the look and feel of Adobe Learning Manager, you can do so through the branding options. Make sure you're logged in as an administrator first. Once you're logged in, go down here to the left-hand side under Configure and choose Branding. Inside of the branding screen, you can make changes to your organization name, logo styling, themes, and more. Let's get started. First, let's customize the organization name. I'll choose Edit, then I'll click Save once I've typed in the name. Then I can change my logo. In this case, I'll choose Edit again. I've already got a logo ready to go, so I'll just drag and drop it here. You'll see that updates pretty quickly. I can then choose what type of header I want. In this case, I just want the logo to be displayed up here in the top left corner, and I'll choose Save. Once it's finished uploading, you'll see that it's reflected here in the header. But unfortunately, because our logo has a light color, we can't see it in the header. That's okay. We can fix that by changing the theme. So let's go ahead and choose Edit next to Themes. Inside of this, you'll see a live preview of your theme here, and as you make changes, you should see it reflected up above. So let's start with the default theme, and let's customize the colors. So first off here, I'll click on the color picker, and we're gonna set our header color to black. You can see that pops our logo in nicely, making it easy to see. I'm going to change my accent color to green, which matches the green in my logo. And then we're going to choose our primary color as a dark gray. And then you can also adjust the brightness of the sidebar. Now let's scroll up a little bit so you can see it better. Here you go. Here's as we get darker, all the way back up to light, like so. Once you're finished with this, just choose Save. And as you navigate through Adobe Learning Manager, you should see those options start to take shape. Underneath themes, you'll have an option for multiple branding. This is where you can specify to Adobe Learning Manager whether or not you want separate branding for both internal and external users. We're not going to worry about that right now though. Let's keep scrolling down and let's change our subdomain. This one's got a lot of alphanumeric characters in it, and we just want this to be very simple. So we'll just select what's in there already, and we'll do something like the company name and choose Save. Once we do that, the changes are saved successfully. It should be noted here that you'll also get an email letting you know that you've changed the URL of the Adobe Learning Manager instance and that you should use this URL moving forward. Underneath here, you can change the player look and feel. So let's go ahead and choose Edit next to Player. You'll get a live preview of the player, and then you can start making changes to it. So let's go ahead and change the accent color to that same green we chose before. That'll keep things consistent. Then you can also change the sidebar brightness. See, as I get brighter, the whole player gets brighter. And then as I get darker, the whole player gets darker. So just set that to your desired preference. And then down here, you have the option to turn on and off all of the player controls, like table of contents, notes, language, etc. So if you want to hide all of those, you can. Or if you'd like to show all of those, you can. Or you can just pick and choose which ones you want to hide and show. Once you're finished, choose Save. That will save all of your changes and your player is now fully customized. Underneath that, you can see here we have the ability to change the quiz theme. So for example, if I wanted to add that same logo as before, I can do so. I can also add a background to my quiz screen if I wish. I'm not going to here, but if you want to, make sure that the image is at least 1600 pixels wide by 1000 pixels tall. Once you're finished with that, choose Upload. Now your logo has been saved to the quiz theme, so that way when a quiz is displayed, your logo will be branded on it. Finally, down here at the bottom, there's this Customize section. This is where it talks about your ability to customize things like the course, learning path, certification, and job aid colors, the progress icon inside of courses, the mouse pointer image that your users see, custom fonts you might want to add, or even a background image that the learners will see as they're taking courses. All of these can be customized, but you do need to file a support request with Adobe Learning Manager support. So just come right here to this paragraph, choose support, and then you can make those requests for that. Once you finish customizing, just click back up here in the top left corner. And once you go back to your home screen, you should see that a lot of those colors have already started to take shape. There's our header and our logo. The accent color's been changed to green. So it's very easy to customize the look and feel of Adobe Learning Manager just by going through some of the simple branding options that are available to you.